Good morning, students. Welcome back to your e-learning classroom. After a long gap, we are once again here for the math class. Students, myself Vanita, once again going to start the remaining chapter of angles. My dear students, already I have completed the all worksheets of chapter angles, and I think there is a clear concept of angles. Now the remaining chapter is brain teasers. So today I am going to start the brain teaser. Let's start the work. Students, all these slides are given here. Questions are here. In the next slides, I will give you the answers. First question is tick the correct answers. Four options are given here. Whatever answer is correct, you have to write down it. First question. The angle made between the hands of a clock at 2 o'clock. At first you draw the 2 o'clock in the copy. Then you will find here angle made between the hands of a clock is the acute angle. Next, there are dash right angles in a straight angle. You draw the straight angle in your copy and you will find that there are two right angles in a straight angle. Next, the two rays forming an angle. The rays which forms the angle are called the arms of the angle. An angle of measured dash is an obtuse angle. As you know, obtuse angle is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. So here more than 90 degree is the 91 degree. So the correct answer is 91 degree. Next, sum of four angles of a rectangle is equal to each angle in the rectangle is 90 degree and their sum is equal to 360 degree. So here the final answer is 360 degree. Next question is your fill in the blanks. An angle has dash vertex and dash arms. A 75-degree angle is a dash angle. Each angle of a rectangle is of dash degree. There are dash angles in a square. There are dash angles in a triangle. An angle equal to 180 degree is called a dash angle. Answers are given in the next slide. Now answer is the angle has one vertex and two arms. A 75-degree angle is an acute angle because it is less than 90 degree. Each angle of a rectangle is of 90 degree. You know there are four angles in a rectangle and measure of one angle is 90 degree. The next question, there are dash angles in a square, that is four angles in a square. There are three angles in a rectangle. An angle equal to 180 degree is called the straight angle. Students, in this slide, question number 3, 4 and 5 is given. First question is draw the following angles of any measure. Measurement is not given here. You can choose the measurement yourself. Whatever 60 degree, 40 degree, 50 degree, whatever you want, you can draw it. Next one. So first AOB, then next XYZ and M and P. Next, how many angles are there in the following angles? Here, wherever two arms are joining at a point, the angle is formed. So at that point, you count that point and write down the number of angles. Next question, draw a line segment PQ of length 6 centimeter. So you draw line segment of PQ of 6 centimeter with the help of a ruler, and then at point P you have to draw the angle of 6 degree. Now you take the protractor and measure the 60 degree, and then you draw the angle. Students, in this slide, answer of previous slide is given. Here the question was, draw the following angles of any measure. Here I have drawn it. With the help of this figure, this answer, you can do it. AOB. You will write the name also first, and then which type of angle you have drawn, you have to write the name also. So here I have drawn angle AOB, that is less than 90 degree. So it is acute angle. Angle XYZ is equal to 90 degree. So it is a right angle. And MNP more than 90 degree. So it is obtuse angle. Next, how many angles are there? So in question number A, 5 angles are there. 5 meeting points are here. So 5 angle. And B, 8 meeting points are here. So 8 angles are there. Students, as I said earlier, that first you draw the 6 centimeter line segment of 6 centimeter, and then with the help of protractor you draw the angle of 60 degree. Method is given here. With the help of this method you will draw it. Dear students, in this slide question number 6 and 7 is given. First question is, construct the following angles, and next one, look the given picture. Picture is given here, and on the basis of this picture you have to give the answers of the following questions. So first you draw the picture and then give the answers. Students, here construct the following angles of 110 degree, 90 degree, 25 degree, 165 degree. Earlier in previous slide I have given one method to how to draw the angle. With the help of that method you can draw the following angles. So this question you have to do yourself. Next, question number 7. How many acute angles are given here? Here angle ADC is less than 90 degree. Only one angle is here which is acute angle. So answer is here 1. Next, how many obtuse angles are there? You can measure the following, and right answer is D, A, B and A, B, C. These all 2 are obtuse angle. So question answer is 2. And how many right angles are there? So only one right angle is there. DCB is equal to right angle. Only one right angle is present in this figure. Next question, is angle ABC an acute angle? No, angle ABC is not an acute angle because its measure is more than 90 degree. So it is not possible that angle ABC will be a acute angle. Next, DCB. Measurement of DCB is 90 degree. So answer is here 90 degree. In this way you can solve this question. Students, in this question some letters of alphabet is given and you have to write the number of angles in the following letter. So A, F, Y is given here and you have to write the number of acute angle, obtuse angle and right angles. Now students, in letter A, how many acute angles are there? You can see that 3 acute angles are there because one triangle, you are seeing a triangle, small triangle in letter A, and all angles are acute angle. And number of obtuse angle. In the outer side, the angle is here and measurement is these two angles are there are two obtuse angle, and right angle, no right angle is present here. B, F, how many acute angle? These, as you know that F is made up of only straight line. So no acute angle, no obtuse angle, only 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 perpendicular lines. So 3 right angle. And in letter Y, only 1 acute angle and 2 obtuse angle. And number of right angles, no perpendicular line is here, so no right angle. Perpendicular line means no straight line, so you can say that there is no right angles. Next question. Hour hand and minute hand of a clock are making angle 90 degree each other. The time is dash and dash. Next, you have to write the name of all the angles, and in next question, you have to compare the following angles. Answers are given in the next slide. Question number 9. The hour hand and the minute hand of a clock are making an angle of 90 degree, and the time is, in this situation, the time is only 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock. In question 10, you have to write the name of all angles. In this figure, you can say AOB is the first angle, BOC is the second angle, and AOC is the third angle. Next, compare the following angles by giving the sign. Acute angle and obtuse angle. You know, obtuse angle is greater than acute angle, so greater sign is given here. Right angle, obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is greater than right angle. And straight angle, two right angles. You know, two right angle is equal to 180 degree and straight angle is also equal to 180 degree. So both are equal. In this way, my dear students, you can solve this brain teaser. Dear students, all the question, whatever I have explained in the previous slides, you will have to do all the questions in your copy. And extra question is also given here, that is, write the definitions of different type of angles and draw it. It means the questions, whatever is given in the different slides, that is also classwork, and this question is also classworks. So in your copy, all of you have do the whole brain teasers in beautiful writing, neat and clean work, I want to say. See, students, now it's the time of homework. In homework, I am going to giving you some new things. All of you see it, think over it, and then try to solve it. Very easy questions. So first 2 or 3 minutes, 5 minutes you give for thinking. Then you try to solve it. Here the worksheet on measuring angles. Red lines are given here, which is giving the measurement of the angle. Angle POQ. Measurement is given here. With the help of this measurement, you write the degree of angle, write the measurement of POQ, then POT, POR, POU and POS. All the measurements are given here. Students, this is your project work. Draw given below clocks. Show the time using needles. You have to draw these all clocks are without needles and you have to draw the needles in the following clock. First, acute angle. You have to draw the needle in this way that it show the acute angle. Then right angle, then obtuse angle, then straight angle. So draw the needle of the clock in this way, then such type of angle is formed. So I think now the concept is clear and you can do the homework easily. Okay, do all your work and have the nice day.